Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a calculator with HTML in just a few minutes. We're going to use ChatGPT, and I already made a video on how to make it, but I wasn't so satisfied. So we're going to make one that's very it has a better style, and we're going to try to tell ChatGPT to make it as nice as possible. So here, the first thing we're gonna do, here we are in our page. I'm gonna use Elementor Builder, and the first thing we're gonna do is search for HTML because it's gonna be a code. So we're gonna drag that here. Now we're gonna go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to make a code for a calculator. And by the way, I have a video on how you can open your free account with OpenAI, which is the company for ChatGPT. So now let's ask ChatGPT to make a calculator. Can you make a basic calculator with HTML and make sure it has a dark gray style. Make sure it has a dark gray background on container, and also a style, and make the buttons round and corners round too with a shadow. Also make the equals button orange. All right, now let's see what happens. We're gonna try as many ways as possible. If we don't get it right, you can always give a different command or ask ChatGPT to make it as you want it. Just make sure you tell it how you want it, and it will give you a close thing to what you want. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is, after it's done, we're gonna copy the code, go to Elementor and paste. See, now it is kind of elongated. I think I can do it here with this right here with on the style, but the padding, it looks good. Okay, we can probably change it through here. All right, so it's too small. Now we're gonna ask ChatGPT, can you make the container to a width by height size as rectangle? Now let's see what happens, because it is too, I don't know, I don't like this elongated. I can probably do it, but I am not, as I said on the previous video, I'm just a beginner on coding. I can probably do it myself just on the style, but we're gonna go ahead and do that. Plus, I am kind of lazy, so to be honest, I'd rather let AI do everything for me. Oh, it's a little too big. Now we're gonna play with the buttons and see if we can make them all come together here. All right, so obviously a huge change to the code. I was trying to fix it, but to be honest, the round buttons will make it a little more out of proportion. So ChatGPT just created this calculator for me and I loved it. I just gave instructions to make sure to add every row by 4. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 buttons on each row. So it's 4 by 4. And this is what it created. And I gave instructions to make the clear button orange and the equals button orange too. So as you can see, it is very nice looking calculator. It is 100% what they call responsive. It will fit on any instrument. Let me show you here. I believe you can see it. Okay, I maybe forgot. Okay, responsive. There we go. Okay, let me just stretch this. This is how it would look like on a cell phone. Okay, it is really nice looking on a tablet and of course on a desktop. Okay, so it will automatically fit to its original size, and I like the round, corners. And if you're not happy with this, you can always alter your code, go to the style, and this one is the times button. But where I come from, you actually we don't use that symbol. We use the X. So if you're not happy with that, you can change it on, I believe it's I think it has to be here somewhere. You can change the style, so that's no problem. Any number or any other style that you want to change. Oh, I'm sorry, it's this one. Okay, you can just switch it by the X like that, and you can do the same with others. So you can add the division, but this we use this divided by 3. It should be 2. So this looks really amazing. I actually like the look on this one. So anyway, hopefully you guys like this tutorial, and you kind of have to play with ChatGPT until you get it right. You just gotta give command. The first thing I recommend, the mistake that I made was not to visualize the calculator, so I have to make my own design and kind of get an idea. Okay, the buttons should be in 4 rows, and each row will have 4 buttons, and so that way ChatGPT kind of like gets the proper visualize kind of what you want. You tell them, I want the corners to be rounded, I want the screen to be white, and I want the screen to be rounded, stuff like that. If you're not a coder like me, professional coder, you can still definitely make this amazing stuff, and it will work perfectly for you. So, and the thing I love about this calculator is that it multiplies decimals and all of that. So yeah, thank you. Hopefully you like this video, and give us a like, subscribe. I will see you on the next tutorial, and I might share this code. Just let me know in the comments. I'm gonna save the code for this calculator. If you like it as much as I do, I will definitely share it with you if I still have it, depending on when you're watching this video or how long it's been since I uploaded this video. A lot of things are gonna play a role whether I still have the code or not. But if you like it, I can definitely share it with you. Just let me know in the comments. Thank you. I'll see you again very soon.